Review Premium MCT Oil from Organic Coconuts. Sports Research Premium MCT Oil is helpful in ketosis and enables your body to process the body fats to release energy. These oils are good for mental clarity and increasing endurance. The Premium MCT Oil has all the MCTs, including lauric acid and others. They are available in bottles of 3 sizes and last forever, according to the users. Drink it in smoothies, add to salads or use in baking to get the nutrients of the MCTs. Pros: you can find the Sports Research Premium MCT Oil in 3 different sizes of 16 fluid oz, 32 fluid oz, and 128 fluid oz. It is certified to be vegan, keto-friendly, paleo-certified, USDA organic, and non-GMO verified. The oil is made of 100% pure non-GMO coconuts without the addition of any fillers. The Sports Research Premium MCT Oil is affordable among various options. It may improve cognitive abilities and help with folliculitis. MCT oil has proved to improve mental clarity and boost energy. Cons: you may experience more frequent bowels as using it in a fairly good amount in the beginning. Users have reported an increase in the frequency of farts and lumpy farts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.